Hey everyone, Big Chief here, back with a quick rip. Got a couple Mosaic football Cello packs. 15 cards in here, so we get a 12 card pack, plus 3 exclusive Mosaic Camo Pink Parallels. So, I've been seeing a lot of people open these. Glad I could finally find some. Let's get right into it. All right. So we'll do these bonus packs last. All right, let's see what's in here. Here's DJ Shark Jr., Dak Prescott, Jimmy Garoppolo, Randy Moss, Leonard Fournette, Joe Burrow. There's a nice rookie card of Jamar Chase. There's a nice Jonathan Taylor. Awesome running back for the Colts. Sweet. Really like that one. There's a Justin Jefferson bang. The Josh Jacobs bang. Jalen Camp. And a rookie card of Terrace Marshall Jr. There's J.K. Dobbins. Jeff Okuda. Denzel Mims. Matthew Stafford. Aaron Jones. Tom Brady. Man of the Year, LaDainian Tomlinson. Nice Derek Brown. There's a Hall of Fame of Len Dawson. There's a sweet Bo Jackson, Will to Win. Chris Evans rookie card. Des Fitzpatrick. And there's a Kids Reporter card. All right. First bonus pack. We got Donald Driver, Miles Sanders, and Man of the Year, Calais Campbell. Robbie Anderson, Leonard Floyd, a nice Trevor Lawrence rookie card. All right, so just a quick recap here. My favorite cards, or I guess the cards of the best cards we got were Will to Win, Bo Jackson. Pink rookie card of Trevor Lawrence. This Jonathan Taylor. This Jamar Chase rookie card. And I believe that is it. Yeah. Surprisingly, no Buffalo Bills, but that's all right. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that rip. Thank you all for watching. Big Chief out. Peace.